Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking abalone and winter melon soup. So let's start cooking. Now I'm blanching the chicken feet as well as the pork bone. I have with me over here 1 kilogram of chicken feet, cleaned up, and 2 big bones, or rather pork bones. Crack it up. I'm putting them in just tap water, and I'm turning on the heat right now because if you were to put them in when the water is boiling, it will just seal up immediately and the scum will not come out, and then your soup will not be that nice. So we have to do this method so that you will have a very nice and tasty soup later. Once this is done, I will show it to you and then we will start making our soup. The blanching is almost done. As you can see, there's a lot of scums that's coming out of the bones and the feet that we are boiling over here. So now all we have to do is just turn off the heat, drain this, and we'll wash this up before we cook the soup. I'll see you back in a while. After you have cleaned the blanched chicken feet and the bones, put them in a pot and add in 4 liters of water. On high heat, let it boil for 30 minutes and then let it simmer for another hour and the soup will be done. Along the way, please check the water level to make sure that it doesn't dry out. Now I'll blanch 600 grams of soft bones. This is for the soup later, which I'll put them in. So same thing, room temperature water, put them in, turn up the heat, and we'll do this until it comes to a rolling boil and let them boil for approximately 10 minutes before we remove them from the water and wash them. So I'll see you back in a while. These soft bones are done already. I'll remove them from heat and wash them. The stock has been boiling for 1.5 hours already and I believe it's done. Let's have a look. Yes, I'll show you how milky it looks like. You can boil this between 1.5 to 2 hours, but 1.5 hours is good enough for me. You can see how beautiful the liquid is. Right, this is what we want, full of collagen. So now we'll turn off the heat and we'll remove all the bones from the pot. If you want to make collagen soup or stock for your hot pot for this, what you can do is after you have strained this, just leave this in the fridge and it will sort of semi-solidify. And then you can just cut half of this to add to your normal chicken stock or even water, and this will be very flavorful. So remove all this and I'll show you the next step what we are going to do. With the collagen soup as our base, we'll put in the rest of our ingredients. I'll put in our soft bones, about 800 grams of winter melon cut into cubes like this. Take off the skin and of course the seeds too. Put it in. I have also rehydrated 30 grams of dried scallops and shred them up like this with 1 cup of hot water. I'll just pour everything in. This will give this soup an additional flavor. Now this soup is very rich. I'll be adding in also 1 liter of water. Now normally for soup, I would not like to season them now. We will season them in a while. So turn this heat up to high. Let it come to a boil. As you can see, the soup is boiling already. We'll turn this down to low heat and let this simmer for 40 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. The soup has been simmering for 40 minutes already. Let's have a look. It smells really great. I'll be adding in baby abalone. These are canned baby abalones. Put them in. Now this is optional, the liquid from the can, but I love to add them in because it adds another dimension of flavor to the soup. So I'll be putting them in. Now turn the heat back up to high, let it boil. As you can see, the soup is boiling already. Put the lid back on and we'll let this simmer at a low heat for 10 minutes before we season it. 10 minutes is up. Let's have a look. We'll give this a taste first before we decide how much salt we should add into here. Wow, very flavorful. Very good. But we need a little bit of salt to bring out the taste. Let me just add in 1 teaspoon of salt first and then we'll try again. Normally I like to add little bit by little bit on the salt level so that it will not be too salty. Let's try this again. One more teaspoon and we are done. Okay, time to serve our lunch. And now the soup is done, let's have a taste. Let's try the winter melon first. Very, very soft, literally melts in your mouth. Abalone. Soft with a little bit of bite, just the way I like it. Let's try the soup. Wow. The soup is really, really, really tasty. You can really do this for your Chinese New Year or reunion dinner. So ladies and gentlemen, our dish is done and I've enjoyed my dish very much. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.